Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Amanda Hair. I've actually worked with them twice now, so this is my second collaboration with them. Today I have installed a 24-inch 13x4 frontal wig, the straight texture, and this is 250% density.
I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together.
I did bleach the knots on this unit before the install. I did straighten it one pass over, so it is lightly straightened because this wig has so much hair, you guys. That actually looks like it's pretty perfect of a fit. That's good. And if you guys are new to my channel, I just want to say hello. Hey, how are ya? What I like to do with my install is remove the lace because for me it doesn't serve a purpose. Sometimes when you get a wig like this, you don't necessarily want to cut into that part too much, but you kind of have to, you guys, in order for it to lay flat around the ears like that. You really need to go in and cut around your ears. As much as you might want to skip this step and not use the blow dryer when using like hairspray, like the Ebin spray that I'm using, definitely don't go ahead and skip that. You need to use the blow dryer. It really helps that lace melt and it really helps it secure it, so don't skip that step. And you can definitely get a few days wear out of this out of this Ebin spray. Depending on how many layers you put, you can get probably 3-4 days with it. If you sleep with like a headband or a scarf or something, it shouldn't really lift very much, if at all.
I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is,
you guys wouldn't believe how fast I go through these Ebin cans. Very, very fast. I think maybe 1 can per month.
I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters.
So I tried my best not to get the lace like looking white, but it's kind of hard when you're using the hairspray. I'm gonna go in with my tinted lace mousse and try to hide that a little bit. Now I did get a second color because if you guys remember, this original one that I have was too dark. So I got this one and this one is too light. I have medium brown and I have light warm. Guess what? The light warm's too light and the medium brown too dark. So I am going in to mix. I'm gonna mix both of them because that's what the light warm looks like. it's hardly anything. And then I'm gonna go in with the brown. As you can see, the brown is much darker. So when I mix the two, I actually get like the perfect color tinted mousse. I need a little bit more brown. As you guys can see, that makes a huge difference, right? We might have to put some more on this side.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew, then you
Okay, so that's pretty much what we're working with. I'm gonna do this side off camera and come back. Middle part.
Just face it. No one knows my places.
It's very flat, as you can see. Way flatter than my Andis hot comb. You guys, I still haven't burnt myself. Now I'm convinced it was that other hot comb that was burning me.
Like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you.
Ooh. Just gonna do a rough pass with my flat iron.
Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home.
You guys, this is some bomb hair. They make really good wigs, you guys. So silky, high quality, thick, very thick.
Get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel refreshing. Lose control. You don't wanna go.
So guys, I did bleach a knot on this unit. As you guys saw, it did come with a pretty much like pre-plucked hairline, lightly pre-plucked. So we didn't go ahead and have to do any plucking on this unit. When you grab it, it's just like hair. Look at this. That's a lot, you guys, for a straight wig. Like, you don't even know. It's like triple or double the amount of hair. Like, some wigs that I get, they have like this much hair in total. This wig has like 3 times that amount. So I am super impressed with the density of this unit. Wow, 250% is where it's at, you guys. Now the hair itself is super soft, super silky. I want to show you guys how the hair looks up close. Very healthy, shiny, bouncy, like just beautiful, nice natural luster. It is a natural color, so it's not like super jet black, but it's not too light as well. It's just beautiful. As you guys can see, my hand's just running right through it. As for shedding, the website claims it doesn't shed, so let's see. Yeah, there's no shedding, thank goodness. One hair. The shedding is really good on this unit from what I can tell right now, so that's pretty nice. Also on the website, it does mention that it can last over a year because it is 100% virgin hair. I tried a curly wig from Amanda Hair once and it was beautiful. It was one of my favorite units. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. They impressed me. Shout out to Amanda Hair because they have really bomb.com hair. If you're looking for some high quality hair that's still in an affordable price range, this is that unit, you guys. This is that company. Definitely check them out. I know you guys won't be disappointed. It's definitely one of my favorite companies to receive hair from. Every time I get a wig from them, I know it's gonna be beautiful. Anyways, guys, leave your thoughts on this install. Leave your thoughts on this unit. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, you should think about doing so. We do pretty much monthly giveaways, if not every month, every other month, but lately I've been doing a giveaway like every month, sometimes back to back. If you guys want to check out this wig, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box below for you guys. Don't forget to check that out. If there is a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.